forces out, elusive win, best to begin, moving up in the middle, Don Jaime, Fargo, Immaculate, then rushing upon the outside, Manager Francis, Babes Magic, Finest Material, Platinum Lance, then comes Class Act, and Lifetime is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Don Jaime, Bayoranenka, and on the outside is Fargo, racing in third, Immaculate, Elusive Wind, then comes Finest Material, moving upon the outside, 6, Manager Francis, then comes Babes Magic, Platinum Lance, Lifetime, and Class Act trails the field. Meanwhile, Immaculate takes the lead, Don Jaime is running by Drella, Fargo in third, Manager Francis alongside fourth, down on the inside, Elusive Wind, Babes Magic, and Platinum Lance. Now we've got Immaculate moving up, Manager Francis moving up on the outside. This time two runners fighting it out for the lead. Immaculate is running by Drell, Manager Francis on the outside. Don Jaime is racing in the last. They come down at the last 150. Immaculate by the length and a half. Manager Francis is on the outside second, but it's still Immaculate by about 2 lengths over Manager Francis, Finest Material, Don Jaime, Platinum Lance, and entering the finish line, it's all Immaculate. Second, Manager Francis, Finest Material, Elusive Win, close. Platinum Lance, Don Jaime.
Sa tabing bagay, Coach.
Yellow eh.
Don Jaime.
Don Jaime ba?
Katabi ni Platinum